Alright guys, this is the Injen exhaust 3-inch, modified. It's like a hybrid engine. He's made a few changes to it. It's on a 2018 Honda Civic Hatchback. Yeah, this muffler here, I got rid of the engine piece. It's just like a resonator, but this muffler is an Xcelerator. I think it's XS1228 muffler. Don't quote me on that. But I had a muffler put on because, like I said, the other piece was like a resonator. I did have this piece with some contact here. Had the heat shield moved up a little. This midsection here had that modified a little bit because of the way it was sitting. This section here is where this heat shield was coming in contact with the engine exhaust flange here, and there was a space here as well, so we had to make a few changes. Make sure this heat shield was out of the way so it don't make contact. And so far so good.